Today is the last day in Malacca, so I'm heading back to Singapore, and I'm gonna get like breakfast now. It's about 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna head down to get breakfast. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go. Maybe to Jonker Street, or along the way some street food or some restaurant nearby. So I'll see you guys at the food place. Alright? It was a bit oily, but okay, the sun is coming up, so it's actually at the back here. It's very busy over there, but it's very cheap, so it's only like 2 ringgit 2 RM. So I think that it's a very busy place because the price is very cheap. So basically now I'm heading to Singapore, but along the way, if I find anything interesting, I will just stop by and I will explore. Alright guys, see you on the road. Okay guys, so I already reached like halfway pit stop, so just gonna get some drinks, maybe some Milo or something like that, and then I'll continue on my journey. So yep, I can't wait to be back in Singapore. So hopefully that everything is smooth journey. I still got about 120 km more to go. Yep, see you guys. Guys, I already reached Johor Bahru, so it's about 3.5-hour ride. I'm perspiring now. Super hot. I already pumped my petrol, and then I got my bike washed. I'll show you guys. Let me just turn this around. Okay, so clean now. Okay guys, so I will make my way back to Singapore, and hopefully you guys can subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. I will do a lot of traveling trips and adventure, culture and food, so you guys can just like stay tuned and enjoy my videos. Alright, see you guys, thank you.